Hey, it's me, Whitney Renee here, and today I have a reveal to show you. Keely, she made a humongous batch of goat milk soap, and I'm going to unmold it and reveal it, and then later I will cut it into bars. So let's start doing that. Where we taped at the bottom of the mold, the tape is actually sticking to the soap, so I've got to scrape it off. It actually comes off real easy once you get it up, so it's not that bad. Comes right off. Comes right off. Feels so good. Keely, I wish you was here to unmold this with me. Okay, so I'm gonna get my handy dandy soap cutter, well, log cutter out. And it's so much easier for me to cut these large slabs of soap whenever they're still soft. So instead of waiting until they get harder, I need to go ahead and do it now so my strings won't break on my cutter that I made. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my slab on top of my slab mold so I can cut it. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure my board's straight so I can have a straight cut. Put it up against there. Make sure my slab's straight. I'm gonna set this down here so whenever I cut it, I have a place to place my slabs. And then I'm gonna set this here. And I'm gonna set this here. Okay, that's where I'm going to place it all the way up against the end of it as straight as I can. And then I'm going to just push it and cut it straight. Since it's so soft, it's so much easier to cut. And there is our beautiful goat milk soap. Looks good. And I'm going to keep on until I cut the whole thing. Got one more left to do, and I'm gonna try to do it a different way. Okay, so I know other people, they have the kind that just sits on a table like that, and they just push it. And I'm gonna see if I can do that. Just push it laying flat. I'm not for sure if it'll work, but I'm gonna try to do it. Just lay it flat. See if mine will work like this. And I gotta keep it flat on the board so it'll be straight. Looks like it's working pretty good to me. Yeah, that worked. That worked. Yeah, this is off because I messed up a few times cutting this one right here. It did really good. So I might just start laying it down flat from now on so I can cut it right. Looks pretty good. Okay, so now, those of you who know that I made my own soap cutter, as you can see, my soap cutter, if I don't use it properly or if I rush, it actually cuts like this. So it's not perfect, but it does the job. It actually beats spending hundreds of dollars on a soap cutter. See this, I can just, I used to use this amount as samples anyway, so, or I can give them away to as gifts or whatever. Even though it's not perfect, I can still use this. So it's actually not bad at all. So I can just cut them in a different angle and I can just give them as gifts. And this part here, I can actually still use as regular soap. So it's still okay for my free soap cutter that I just screwed together. It actually works pretty good. So for me. So here's all of our soaps that we have that are the cut correctly. So that is a lot of soap, and we just have these two that are off because of the cut. Off because of the way I cut it. So, and it smells so good. So I'm going to set these over here. I'm going to take a picture of these. Okay, now I'm going to move all of my slab mold and my soap cutter out the way, and I'm going to clean this up some, and I'm going to start cutting these soaps into bars. Okay, so I've got everything cleaned up somewhat, and now I'm going to start cutting my loaves into bars. Here's my loaf cutter. I remember I was telling y'all about how I was supposed to get a new soap cutter, and this is it, and I love it. So it took a little bit longer than expected for it to come, but it came. Just going to set it to the side, and I'm going to lift this here up. This lifts up. And I'm going to place this here. And place it up against there just like that, and I'm going to push it down. It cuts so easy. Just apply a little bit of pressure, and it makes the prettiest cuts ever. So there is the bar of soap, and I don't even think you've seen that. I'm going to move my camera so you can see it. Move my camera so you can see. There we go. You should be able to see that there. Okay. Lay that there. And here they are. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, there we go. Those last few loaves, I'm going to let Keely cut those, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, this cut and reveal video. There's all of our soaps we've made, and we have 3 more over here left over. These are going to be used for samples, and that one is going to be used to sell. So here's all of our soaps. I separated all of my end pieces. So I hope you enjoyed watching this reveal and cut video of goat milk soap that Keely made, and I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.